Hi everyone! Today we'll be showing you how to change your traditional wall switch to smart wall switch without any wall hacking required. Let's get started. First, please ensure that the main switchboard is being switched off before you remove your old wall switch. Remove the cover and the wall switch from the wall. Remove the load wire from the wall switch. Put a marking on the live wire and remove from the wall switch. If you are not sure which one is the live wire, switch on the switchboard again. Do not touch the wiring with your bare hands. Touch the wiring with the tip of a test pen. Locate the live wire and switch off the switchboard again. The number of slots behind the wall switch is depending on how many switches is available on your wall switch. Connect the live wire to L in. And connect the load wire accordingly to L1, L2, and L3. Install the wall switch and turn on the main switchboard again. Try the switches to ensure it's in good working condition and we're good to go. Just in case if you're wondering what will happen if you touch the live wire with your bare hands. Next, we'll show you how to pair the wall switch with your phone. Open your WPM Home App or Tuya app. Select the Add button on top right. Select Wi-Fi switch. Connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi, put in the password and select Next. Long press the first switch from the left on your wall switch until the indicator starts to blink, then select Next. You may input the wall switch name based on the location of the wall switch and also rename it individually. Try using the app and control your switches. And that's all it takes on setting up the wall switch. Comment below to let us know what would you like to see in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.